What to do in Rome for 3 days. Best Rome travel guide. They say all roads lead to Rome, but once you're here, where exactly should you go? In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the perfect 3-day plan to explore the Eternal City with everything you should see, do, and taste to make the most out of every moment. Let's make this trip unforgettable.
Get ready for breathtaking monuments, hidden gems, and some of the best food you'll ever eat.
Welcome to your ultimate Rome travel guide. Let's jump right in. Day 1, Rome's classic icons. Start your Roman adventure early, around 8 in the morning, right outside the Colosseum. You'll want to beat the crowds and step into one of the most legendary landmarks in human history. Walk around the arena floor. Stand where gladiators once fought for their lives. The scale is jaw-dropping. From there, take a short walk to the Roman Forum. This used to be the center of Roman public life, temples, markets, and government buildings. Imagine senators debating in the shadows of the same columns still standing today. Then head up Palatine Hill, just next to the Forum. It's the birthplace of Rome, and the views from the top are incredible. Take your time. This whole area is one giant outdoor museum. By around 1 in the afternoon, stroll toward the Pantheon. On the way, grab a quick espresso or a creamy gelato. Trust me, you'll need it. The Pantheon is one of the best preserved Roman buildings in the world. Step inside and look up the open-air oculus is an engineering marvel. From here, make your way to Piazza Navona. This lively square is perfect for a late lunch. Sit outside, order a plate of pasta, and soak up the atmosphere. You've earned it. Later in the afternoon, head to Trevi Fountain. Legend says if you toss a coin with your right hand over your left shoulder, you're guaranteed to return to Rome. Just wait until you see it lit up after sunset. Magical. Wrap up your day with dinner near the Spanish Steps. Climb up, enjoy the city lights, and call it a night with some classic tiramisu. Day 2, art, faith, and the Vatican. Day 2 begins around 9 in the morning at Vatican City. Start with the Vatican museums and yes, get your tickets in advance. Inside you'll see rooms overflowing with art and history, and at the very end, the Sistine Chapel. Look up, take your time, and let Michelangelo's masterpiece sink in. After that, walk into St. Peter's Basilica. No video, no photo can prepare you for the size and beauty of this place. Don't miss the chance to climb to the top of the dome. The view overall of Rome, unreal. Around 1 in the afternoon, take a break with lunch in Trastevere, a charming neighborhood full of character, color, and fantastic Roman cuisine. In the afternoon, explore Trastevere's cobbled streets. Stop at Santa Maria in Trastevere, one of the oldest churches in the city. Then walk across the river to Campo de' Fiori, a vibrant square full of markets and cafes. By now, it's early evening. Time to wind down. Head to Ponte Sisto, the bridge that lights up at dusk. Walk slowly, take in the view, and let the city's golden glow do the rest.
Dinner suggestion? Back in Trastevere. Wood-fired pizza and red wine never disappoint.
Day 3, hidden gems and local vibes. Start your final day around 9:30 in the morning in Testaccio, a less touristy, more authentic Roman neighborhood. Grab a cornetto and coffee like the locals do. Then walk to the Pyramid of Cestius and the non-Catholic cemetery, a peaceful place where artists and poets rest among flowers and trees.
Mid-morning, explore the Aventine Hill.
There's a secret keyhole at the Knights of Malta Gate, and when you peek through, you'll see a perfectly framed view of St. Peter's Basilica. Next, stroll through the Orange Garden just a few steps away. It's quiet, scenic, and a great spot to pause. Around 1:30 in the afternoon, head to Campo Marzio. This is a great place to shop for local goods, Italian leather, or unique gifts.
Hungry? Sit down at a local trattoria. Try Casio, eat pepe or carbonara, and don't be shy with dessert.
In the afternoon, walk along the Tiber River or visit Villa Borghese Gardens. If you like art, the gallery is a must, but you'll need a reservation. As the sun begins to set, make your way to Piazza del Campidoglio, designed by Michelangelo himself. It's one of the most elegant spots in the city. Finish your trip with dinner at a rooftop restaurant. Watching the Roman skyline under the stars is the perfect ending. And there you have it, 3 unforgettable days in Rome. From the ancient ruins to hidden gardens, from world-famous art to neighborhood gems. Rome is not a place you visit, It's a place you feel. And remember, in the description of this video, you'll find helpful resources that can save you time and money. Down below, I've included tools I personally use that could be great for your next trip. Don't forget to check the links for services and trusted travel guides. If this guide helped you plan, a like and a subscription would mean a lot and help more travelers like you. Enjoy Rome, you're going to fall in love with it.